Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today we learn alphabets and numbers. Kids colors name blue color, yellow color, black color, red color, green color, yellow color. Kids, now we coloring alphabets and numbers. Kids, first we draw A. A is for apple. A is for aeroplane. And use blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw B. B is for ball. B is for bat. Kids, again use blue color and draw C. C is for cat. C is for car. Kids, neither D. D is for dog. D is for doll. And use yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw E. E is for egg. E is for elephant. Kids, again use yellow color and draw F. F is for fish. F is for fan. Kids, neither G. G is for God. G is for grapes. And use black color. H. H is for hen. H is for helicopter. Kids, again use black color and draw I. I is for ice. I is for ice cream. Kids, neither J. J is for joker. J is for jackfruit. And use red color. Kids, again use red color and draw K. K is for kite. K is for king. Kids, neither L. L is for lion. L is for lemon. Kids, neither M. M is for moon. M is for mango. And use green color. Kids, again use green color and draw N. N is for nose. N is for nest. Kids, neither O. O is for orange. O is for octopus. And use yellow ochre color. Kids, neither P. P is for parrot. P is for penguin. Kids, again use yellow ochre color and draw Q. Q is for queen. Q is for quail. Kids, neither R. I is for rose. I is for rat. And use blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw S. S is for sun. S is for snake. Kids, again use blue color and draw T. T is for teacher. T is for tiger. Kids, neither U. U is for umbrella. U is for uncle. And use yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw V. V is for van. V is for vanilla. Kids now enter W. W is for wolf. W is for watch. Kids now enter X. X for X-ray. X for Xmas tree. And use black color. Black color. Y. Y is for yak. Y is for yo-yo. It's neither Z. Z is for zebra. Z is for zoo. It's neither numbers. And first we draw 1. The numbers of 1. And use red color. Red color. O and 1. Kids again use red color and draw 2. T W or 2. Kids night 3. The numbers of 3. T H R W 3. Kids night 4. The numbers of 4. And use green color. Green color. F O U R 4. Kids again use green color and draw 5. The numbers of 5. F I V E 5. Kids again use green color and draw 6. The numbers of 6. S I X 6. Kids night 7. The numbers of 7. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. S E V E and 7. It's night 8. E I G H T 8. It's night 9. The numbers of 9. N I N E 9. Kids again use yellow color and draw 10. The numbers of 10. T E and 10. The numbers of 10. Kids today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.